First is a very basic question. I think I asked you or asked SecTed nun, you SecTed. Yung announcement kasi ng Pag-asa ngayon is still 11 o'clock and 5 a.m., right? Tama, di ba?
Every 3 hours po.
Yeah, but yung may main pa rin kayo which is 11 and 5 eh.
Yes.
Ang problema kasi sa 11 at saka 5 a.m., yung 11 may mga nagka-cancel na ng klase sa 11, pero pag biglang gumanda na dun sa 5 o'clock, nababash sila na ba't ka nag-cancel ka agad kasi nga napakarami ng cancellation ng class. Yung 5 a.m. naman, too late din kasi nga gising na lahat nun. At ang problema ko, katabi ko matulog ang mayor namin. So pag siya nababash, nagigising din ako. And because our city administrator and our mayor, talagang tinitingnan nila yung oras kasi in Metro Manila especially, 2 shifts na yung mga school eh. Is there a possibility, is there a science why it's 11 and 5 or can you make it earlier? Can you make it 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock? Kung may science, I won't argue kasi but I think it's really more of nakasanayan nyo yung oras na yun. Diba? Kasi nga masyadong late ang 5 a.m. para sa mga estudyante at mga magulang.
Yes, to our dear minority leader, yes, they will study it, but it is possible.
No,
they will be able
actually,
to.
I want a hard answer because
yes, yes, they can.
Okay, thank you for that.
Okay.